Thank you. I love you.
Miss you.
Miss you. I miss you.
Go.
Nes, I love you. Happy New Year ha, sa inyo dyan lahat, lalo higit sa iyo. Chup, chup, chup.
3, go.
Nes, Happy New Year. I love
Go.
Nes, Happy New Year. I love you too, Tito Remy.
2, 3, go.
Hello, Ate Nes. Happy New Year. Felos ka kay Ate Joy. Yeah, Happy New Year lang. Bye-bye, ingat. Kumusta mo na lang kala Tito and Tita and Kuya and Ate. And just sa aso na, I love you.
Tim.
Happy Year, Ate Nes. I love you. Ingat. I love you kay...
Go.
Ate Nes, Happy New Year. I love you. I miss you. Pakasabi kay Lex, Happy New Year. Yun lang. Mwah.
Hello, Ate. Happy New Year. I love you, miss you. Huwag makalimutan ang aso ko.
3, go.
Ay, sexy cals. Diyos. Happy New Year! Nainggit ka pa kay Ate Joy sa bate. Pero okay lang yun. Ingat ka lagi, ha? I love you so much. Bow. Miss you, mama. Chup, chup.
Hey. Takda. Happy New Year. I love you. Ito handa namin, oh. Yan ay check. Diba?
Our food. Hello, si Janice. Yes, hello. Happy New Year. May sana ay sa darating na ito ay iba yung pagpapala at ang biyaya ang mata mo ninyong mag-anak at ingat na lang kayo dyan. God bless. Take care. Okay, love you kawin.
Ito, game.
Janice, peace! Happy New Year to you and to your dad, to your mom, to Joy and Jake. Most prosperous year is coming 2012 and more blessings to come this coming years. Okay? God bless. I love you all. We miss you so much.
Happy New Year.
I love you.
Love you.
Oh. Anong sasabihin? Ulit. Ulit. Take 2. Love you.